Hi, this is second lesson data analysis with Python where we will perform the basic calculations. The first, we calculate the total sales by assessing the total cost column in the data frame. The sum method adds all the values in the column and the result is stored in a variable called total sales. A similar approach is used in next two calculations. The average order value is calculated by assessing the total cost column and using the mean method to find the average of all entries. The result is stored in the variable called average order value. The next, we calculate the total number of units sold by assessing the quantity column and using sum method to add all the values. The result is stored in a variable called total units. Finally, all those variables are printed on the screen. Here is the result. This is the method to calculate total sales, average order value, and total units sold in Python. Thank you.